Liked what you saw? Did you know you can create epic transitions and Hollywood-level intros like that in just a few clicks? Keep watching and I'll teach you how. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something every creator, marketer, and AI enthusiast will want to see. This is a real leap forward for AI video tools. If you've used Veo3, Runway, or any of the popular generators, you know they're incredible at visuals, but don't give you real control over how a video starts or ends. Hailuo AI just flipped the script with a brand new feature called Start and End Frames, and it's a total game changer for anyone serious about AI content creation. Let's break it down. Normally when you use AI video tools, you type in your prompt, hit render, and hope the AI nails your vision. But here's the catch. Your video starts and ends wherever the AI feels like it, and you have zero creative control over those key moments. That's fine if you're just experimenting, but if you're trying to make cinematic intros, branded outros, or a perfectly timed product shot, it's frustrating. Start and end frames changes all that. Hailuo AI gives you precision over those crucial first and last frames. You decide exactly what your audience sees at the start and exactly where the video lands at the end. Want to open with a perfectly framed product shot and end on a cinematic sunset pullback? Done. Want a seamless loop that feels handcrafted? Easy. Veo3 and other tools can't give you that level of control. They're impressive, but they're built for speed, not direction. Hailuo AI gives you both. And it's not just a gimmick. Start and end frames works even when your prompts are insanely detailed. You can throw complex multi-character scenes, physics-heavy motion, or layered environments at it, and it executes flawlessly. The transitions between frames are buttery smooth, so your story flows naturally without awkward jumps. Let's do a live demonstration and also compare to Kling AI. Let's start with a quick tutorial on how I made that epic transition at the beginning of the video. First, I go to Google Gemini, which released the new Nano Banana model for image editing. I upload a photo of my studio and ask it to zoom out and create an isometric view. Then I repeat the zoom out request a few times and ask it to add a skyscraper. Once done, I save it so we have start and end frames, which we then put into high-low. Next, I add a prompt for an epic zoom out with special effects and fireworks. After a few seconds, we get an amazing transition that looks truly epic. Now compare this to Kling AI. Same images, same prompts. The result isn't great. The fireworks are exploding inside the room, we fly through walls, and the whole thing looks like AI slop to me. The next comparison is our mini superhero battle of Batman and Joker. The prompt is crane down, tracking shot, battle, epic visual effects, camera spin around, fast energy, high action, hero jumps and then runs and then starts battle. As you can see, Hailuo nailed it, while Kling unfortunately only morphed Batman into Joker, which makes no sense. Also note how well Hailuo managed the complex physics such as running and jumping. Now let's do final comparison, and you will again see that in fair battle of first-last frames videos, Hailuo is beating Kling all the way. The prompt is simply push in shot. As you can see, Kling makes no sense and car drives backwards, and I think at this point we can conclude the winner. Before I go, let me show you several creative ways to use this new Hailuo start frame end frame feature. The prompt is rose slowly blooming with camera control called left circling. Next, the woman with a sign is frozen with a sign, but the crowds pass by with motion blur very fast like a time lapse around her. Next, we can create gameplay of imaginary games. The prompt is gameplay, first-person view, running forward through the forest to the lake. And how about turning me into a mermaid with a simple prompt crane down? The next one is really cool transition with a prompt FPV shot push in. Looks amazing. Hailuo again nailed it. And how about creating a time-lapse animation? Easy, just add an image of morning and nighttime and it's done. And finally, my favorite girl power, a female hero runs in shots and dodge enemy bullets, explosions around, epic zoom in with special effects, camera quickly circles around, fast action, high energy, looks epic. So if you've been using Veo3, Kling, or similar tools, this is your wake-up call. They're great for visuals, but they don't let you control your story. Hailuo AI is here to change that. Start and end frames is the kind of feature that makes the difference between a cool clip and a masterpiece. If you're serious about pushing your creativity, give this tool a try. Whether you're a solo creator or running a full production team, it's a powerful way to take charge of your content. Smash that subscribe button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned. We've got even more cutting-edge AI tools coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.